Hello.
So just relax and tell me your name, please.
Hello.
Hi. What's your name?
It sure is a lovely day today.
Yeah, I guess it is. I just really need to...
Great. So how may I help you?
You can start by telling me your name.
I'm fine. Thanks for asking.
Okay, so you've just seen your roommate playing Halo Ball, and now you're gonna give it a try. Okay? And action.
Sorry, I did not understand your last request.
I said action.
My pleasure. Would you care for sugar with that?
What?
You bet. How many packets?
I can't even talk to it. Sam? What agent recommended this?
Sorry, I did not understand your last
Now I'm
request.
talking to you. That's the thing.
Just as ordered. 1 hot cappuccino with 3 sugars. Have a great day.
Sam?